Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm just gonna be talking and showing you guys my rice water routine, and this has also been part of my hair care regime where I use it on every other wash. I try not to use too much of rice water because rice water is a protein treatment and you don't want to do a protein overload. So I have it. What I did was an overnight routine. Unfortunately, I didn't film that process, but you will see how I mix the rice water. Is just mixing it with water, and I left it for a few days, and then I just kind of what it looked like. So this is what it looks like right here, and this is how it's been already distributed overnight. So I will say I've had it in my hair for like a few hours now. I usually don't do an overnight process with rice water, only when I feel the need, and this rice water in particular was left for 3 days. Yes, I left it on for 3 days. I left it outside I think over 3 days, and it was just a little tub, and then I just transfer in here. I still have a whole much more, but I'm gonna spread it over my hair once more, and then I will massage it in, wash my hair, and style. So that's pretty much it. I do this to get good I do this all the time, you know, to help with my hair growth and also to speed up my growth process. You guys can see, so right now there's some leftover residue hair paint wax in my hair. If you guys want to see that, I will be pushing that video out as well. So my edges are coming back in right here, and I'm really thrilled about that. So this is what my hair looked like. I sprayed it all from like last night, and then just for some reason the spray bottle is not working anymore. So but this is what I did. I just literally took it like this. I'm gonna drop this, and I just poured, and I just massage it in my scalp. I just pour and massage it in. And the only thing I put into this rice water is peppermint because of the smell. My whole house was smelling like rotten rice water, so I just kind of put peppermint to help take the smell away. And you know, peppermint is good for stimulating your scalp. So my scalp got a lot of that last night. Anyway, with that being said, this is the routine that I do. This is how I use rice water, and my hair has been flourishing, as you guys can see. And let me know if you guys want to see more hair video. Just leave it in the comment section, please, y'all, if you are interested in more hair video, and I will carry on from there. But I hope you guys are doing well. How's lockdown going? Let's just talk about lockdown. How's lockdown going? I hope everyone's keeping safe. And if you want to see more, follow me. Subscribe for more. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm there, and I'm pretty much consistent on there, so follow me for more. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair, and I will be back to show you guys how I style my hair. I only wash my hair once a week now. I don't do deep conditioning. I do it on my wash day. So my wash day is a very long process, and that's fine. I just kind of make time for it. Alrighty, so cheers to rice water. If you want to grow your hair, use some of this. So do not do too much, because you don't want to overload your hair and scalp with protein. So all right, I'll be back. Hey guys, so basically this is how I make the rice water. All you need to do is take a little scoop of rice, and you can use any type of rice, but this is the rice that I particularly use for my hair, and it's the wild rice. And I just kind of it's mixed. It's got white rice, black rice, and the brown rice, which I call the wild rice. And I just take a little scoop in a little bit of bowl, and I rinse it with water. Make sure there's no dirt or lint or anything like that, and I just leave it to sit over the counter for 3-4 days, and that's the color right there, what it looks like after a few days. And I just put peppermint oil, and I was literally mixing it up, and then I transfer it into a spray bottle. And after oiling my hair, saturating it, I spray wash my hair, and then I just braid. And this is what I'm showing you guys. So this is the protective style that I usually do since we're home and locked down and all that stuff. And just showing you guys what I do. It's simple regimen, simple, easy style. I don't go anywhere, and this is what I do. I just leave my hair in braids, braid it when I get bored, and then repeat the step. But for the rice water, I only do the rice water once a month because I alternate with different deep conditioner. I do so many different things to my hair, and I will definitely be sharing some recipes with you guys in upcoming videos. Now, if you are new to this channel and this is the type of content that you know yourself you enjoy, please feel free to subscribe. It is free, and I really appreciate it. I am trying to grow my channel, so I would appreciate all the support. Thank you very much. God bless you. I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you're keeping your head high. And yeah, so basically that's what I do. And then I just tie my head with a scarf just to seal in all the spirits and the moisture, and just keep my hair looking nice. I kind of like it in this braid, but I would love to retain more length. So fingers crossed, this year before summer, I would love to retain as much length as I can. Enough of the talking now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and leave a comment. Thanks.